Hey guys, it's your boy John Manning, your favorite credit expert. Here on my channel, we talk about real estate, business, and really building a financial literacy foundation so that you can take back powers away from the institutions, financial institutions, guys. Today, I'm back again. I know it's been a while, guys. I've been really taking care of some things, guys, but if you haven't been to my channel before, please like and subscribe. I invite you to learn about what we talk about as far as credit, guys, and how to build it, and how to maintain and create your own bank, and how to use swipes or cards to create your own bank with 0% interest that you could borrow from anytime, especially when you're building a business, guys. Today, we're going to be talking about the second credit card that I did when I did a small funding round. The second credit card is no other than Penfed Credit Union, guys. This company or this credit union is actually a pretty decent credit union. They're right there under Navy Federal. Of course, I'm not trying to be biased or anything, but I always say that Navy Federal has got to be the best credit union. But there are other credit unions out there that are right there, a smidget under them, and Penfed Credit Union is one, guys. It's easy to join. It's accessible to almost everybody, whether you've been in the military or not, guys. During my first funding round, I told you guys I got the More Rewards card. During that round of funding, I also applied for the Power Cash Rewards card, guys. This card gives you 1.5% cash back on every purchase, and if you become an honors reward member, which is reserved for those who have been in the military, like I'm a veteran, so I'm an honors, then you get 2% cash back on every swipe, guys. What I like about this card right here with Penn Federal Credit Union is they give decent limits, guys. Maybe they're not going ham like Navy Federal, but they are not. I don't see a lot of my clients get baby limits with this card right here, guys. Along with it, it's easy to redeem on your cashback rewards. You can redeem it on different ways. You can redeem it straight to your checkers or savings account, as well as a statement credit, guys. So it's a no-brainer. Why use your debit card when you could get percent cash back for every swipe you do, guys? And like I said, Penfed Credit Union, you got to give a shout out to them. They make a decent product. Another thing that I like about Penn Federal Credit Union is, at this time of this recording right now, they are doing, I believe it's 0% interest for 12 months. It's either 6 or 12 months, guys. And this goes into what I was talking about being able to build your own bank with 0% financing, guys. And another way you could also use this, because this is a dope balance transfer card, guys. Like I said, at the time of this recording, 0% interest for 12 months. So this gives you an opportunity to go ahead and do balance transfers to get yourself to get out of those high interest credit cards. All that for 12 months, guys. This will be the card that I would use to do it, guys. Like I said before, this is an awesome card, guys. And the limit on that, like I said, I'm not allowed according to my wife, to talk about limits. But this is a nice limit, guys. This is a nice limit. Like I said before, guys, the Power Cash Rewards cards, they got other cards. What I like to do is start from the bottom, maybe not with a platinum, but a smaller rewards card like the Power Cash Rewards card, and work your way up, guys. Work your way up. Each card has different perks with Penfed Credit Union. Just take a look at them, see what works for you. And also, if you're worried about hard inquiries, they do a hard inquiry. However, Penfed keeps your credit profile on file, like when you apply for things, for 30 days. If I'm not mistaken, 30 days they keep you on file, so you could go in and pretty much apply for something else. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about my second card in my round of funding, guys. And that is a pretty decent credit union. Go and check them out, guys. They keep, once you do a hard inquiry, they keep you on file for 30 days, so you have the ability to apply for something. And by the way, they're pulling for Equifax, guys. They're pulling for Equifax. For more information or more content, feel free to reach out to me for consulting at my 1-800 number. Or you guys can reach out to me and schedule an appointment through Calendarly with the link below, guys. And stay tuned for more content, guys. We are going to go deep into this credit game and pretty much deep into building businesses, guys. And I want you guys to stay tuned, and we're going to talk about building this bank. All right, guys. Until next time.